Hi friends, I am Tirak, you watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to enable or disable the floating keyboard on your Gboard or Google keyboard. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to enable the floating keyboard, if you don't have Gboard, just download Google Keyboard or Gboard from the Play Store. So now I'm just going to show how it's look like. So first of all, click on this if you're typing open your keyboard, you will see this option. This is a Google keyboard actually. So now you just click on this icon option. So here you will see an option called floating keyboard. So click on this floating keyboard. You can just type wherever you want. So you can just make this, actually this keyboard is floating. You can just move around the screen where you just need this keyboard, so it will be remains in the same position. So you can just type whatever. For an example, I just close this and just open the Play Store. So now I click on the search option. You can see now the keyboard still on the same place where I just placed. So you can just make floating keyboard. You can use wherever you want. This is the special thing about the Google keyboard, which is the floating keyboard option. So you can just enable it, you can just float it, and you can just place wherever you want. If I just going to place the screen on the top, I just open this here, so still it's on the top. To disable this keyboard, you just click on this icon and you will see an option called floating, and just disable it. You can just make this. So this is how you just disable or enable the Gboard floating keyboard on your Android. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.